Welcome to another successful solar installation project by Ephaim Energy. The system draws its strength from 105 high-efficiency solar panels, each rated at 550 watt, delivering a total solar capacity of 57.5 kilowatt peak. This time, we completed a robust off-grid solar system for a 24 hours operational office complex and warehouse in Lagos, Nigeria. Though the facility runs round the clock, most of their energy demand comes during the daytime business hours, making solar their perfect solution. The system is engineered to power 36 air conditioning units ranging from 1 to 1.5 horsepower, providing seamless cooling throughout the facility. At the heart of this setup is a powerful 50 kVA inverter backed by a 100 kilowatt-hour battery bank for reliable energy storage and overnight use. With this installation, our client now enjoys clean, uninterrupted power, completely off-grid. At Ephaim Energy, we are not just installing solar, we are building energy independence. And as we like to say, let there be light.